Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. Welcome back to the video. This coin hunt has been designated as World Coin Hunt 21, and we start off with a Spanish coin from the reign of Juan Carlos I. It is a 1 peseta coin. It's from 1992. On the front we have, on the obverse we have the portrait of King Juan Carlos, and on the back we have the year and the coat of arms. The mintage for this 1992 coin, 1 peseta coin, is 168,870,000. Wow. Next we have a smaller coin, probably one of the smallest coins on this coin hunt. This is a 25 Santani from 1991. It's from Thailand, and it's not Santani, it's Satang. Satang. S-A-T-A-N-G. I believe the portrait on the front there's Drachma the 9th. On the reverse you have a monastery with the value of 25. This Satang coin is worth less than a baht, which is normally a silver coin, and the mintage for this 1991 coin is 45,496,380. Yeehaw! The next coin, let me get it across, is a 10 franc coin. It's bimetallic. 10 francs from France. It's from 1989. This side shows the value and the year, which is the reverse, and on the obverse we have a cherub, a flying cherub, a winged cherub. The mintage for this bimetallic 10 franc coin from 1989 is 249,980,449. Wow. Then we have a stylized portrait of King, I think it's King Gudouin I, from 1988. It's 5 francs from Belgium. On the reverse you have the name of the country and the value and the year. The mintage for this 1988 coin is 26,510,000. Then one that I didn't know I got in my World Coin Hunt box. It's actually a UK coin. It's a half a p from 1982. It has Her Majesty the Queen on the obverse, and then this one's rather a mucky one and rather rusty, and it's got my bimetallic rust and verbiage, green verbiage, and the value for this was 190,752,000. Yeeks. Right, next one we have a stylized portrait of King Carl Gustaf XVI. This is a 1 krona coin from 1978 from Sweden. On the reverse we have the Swedish shield, which is crowned, got a crown above it, and the shield contains 3 separate crowns. And we have the value of 1 krona. The mintage for this 1978 coin is 81,356,532. Okay, the last of the first pile is this coin from Greece. It's a 50 drachma from 1990. I'm not sure who it is. I think it's actually supposed to, I think, although I might be wrong, I think it's Homer on the front. On the reverse we have a single mast Greek ship with the value and the year. For this 99.50 drachma coin, the mintage is 60,299,161. Next we go to Holland, and this is one of the heavier, thicker coins from Holland. It has a On the obverse we have a portrait of Queen Beatrix. On the back we have a value and a year. We don't seem to have a didn't seem to have a mintage for this 1990 coin. It's 5 gulden. I didn't find a mintage when I did my research. There probably is one, I just probably didn't get it in the right place. Slovakia, Slovakia, 2SK from 1994. On here we have the shielded double cross. You also have the year and the country's name. On the reverse you have the value and a armless portrait, an armless statuette of something like the Venus de Milo sat down. The mintage for this coin is unknown. It's from 1994. This is a 1 franc coin from 1961. We have the sewer, as she's called, and on the back we have the value and the what seem to be olive vines, I think they are. When I did the research I didn't find a mintage for this coin. Now this is where it all becomes a bit there we go. This one is Juan Carlos, the first, from Spain. The coin is dated 1982. On the reverse is the value of 25 pesetas below a crown. And at the bottom you have the Madrid mint mark. The mintage for this coin is 146 million coins. 146 million. This one is from Japan. It's 1 yen, sorry. And you have the bamboo shoot on the back. It's an aluminium coin. These coins have you never have a mintage for these coins. They're just too numerous. This is quite a nice coin. This is Namibia. It's 10 cents from 2002. You have the coat of arms of Namibia on the front there with the year. And also the name of the country. And on the reverse you have the value of 10 cents and the tree is the tree of life. There are no mintage, there's no mintage figures for this coin. Hang on, I need to get the bins on for this one. This one is 1989. 1980. Sorry, that's 1969. This one here is, this one's a French coin. On the front you have the man with the, and you got the cornucopia. The man's looking at the left side of the coin. You have the cornucopia of food and drink on the right hand side of the coin. On the left hand side of the coin you have the date of 1960. And then on the back you have the Belgian coin, the 1 franc, and you have the what seems to be oak, an oak stem with a crown above it. The mintage for this year for this coin is 5,555,000. And this one is from 1981. It's exactly the same on the front, the man with the cornucopia. Excuse me. and this is 1981, and the mintage for this coin in 1981 is 2 million. This one is the smallest coin on the hunt. This is a portrait on the front of King Juan Carlos with the year. The date on the front of the coin is 1975. In the star on the rear of this coin is 1978. You have the coat of arms plus the value, and the mintage for this 1975 coin is 603,320,000. Here we have a coin from France showing Marianne. It's a 1952 coin. The obverse is Marianne. On the back you have the 20 francs with a cockerel and a vine stem. The mintage for this 1952 coin is 130,281,000. The next coin shows Franco. It's a 25 peseta from 1957. So you have the portrait of Franco on the front. On the reverse you have the 25 pesetas. You also have a star on the reverse here, and the star says 58 in it. So the actual mintage of this coin is 1958. The only mintage figure I could find for this 1958 coin was 43,000. Now I've got a feeling that that could be the proof number, and I'm not sure that this is a proof coin. So the only mintage figures, as I say, I could find was 43,000, but I've got a feeling that this is probably is not one of the 43,000 proof. I think it's probably one that was circulated, looking at the colour damage and all the rest of it. This one is a Polish zloty. It's 20 zloty from 1977. You have a crowned eagle. No, you don't. You just have a normal eagle. An eagle uncrowned. I can't read my own writing. Duh. And you have the year, the country, and the value on this side. On this side here, we have a person, Marcel Nowetko, and that's Nowetko. For this particular coin, there was 16 million minted. And the last coin for this World Coin Hunt is an Indian coin showing the Shuka Lion pillars. We have on there, on that side, with the name of India, the country's name. On the back we have a value, and we have the wheat ears. These from 1996. India, there's so many of these 1 rupees. You don't have any value whatsoever. You don't have any mintage whatsoever from the Indian mint. Let's just bring that out. I've now put these in the bag to keep them safe, so until I get time to flip them and put them into my collection. I will be doing that in the next few weeks, hopefully. If you've enjoyed this coin hunt, could you please give me a thumbs up? If you are a returner, or even if you're brand new and you've enjoyed this and you believe I deserve to be followed, subscribed to, I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles and militaria that I do on this channel. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like and you want to watch. As I said, I am looking to grow my channel, and I'm looking to try and reach the magic 100 subscribers by Christmas. I'm currently around about just below 80 as I record this video. I hope that you think I deserve the chance and that you'll subscribe. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thanks for watching and bye bye for now. Ta-ra, bye bye.